Welcome to day 29, where we'll delve into the effective utilization of sports arbitrage signal services. Sports arbitrage signal services are valuable tools for investors, providing real-time alerts on profitable arbitrage opportunities. Here's how to make the most of these services. 1. Choose a reputable service. Start by selecting a reputable signal service known for accuracy and timely notifications. Research and read user reviews to make an informed choice. 2. Set up alerts. Customize your alerts based on your preferences. You can specify the sports, leagues, and markets you are interested in, as well as the minimum profit margin you seek. 3. Stay informed. Pay attention to the alerts and act swiftly. Sports arbitrage opportunities can be fleeting, so being prompt is crucial. 4. Account management. Ensure you have sufficient funds in your betting accounts with various bookmakers to place the required bets when opportunities arise. 5. Risk assessment. Evaluate each opportunity for potential risks and calculate the optimal betting amounts to maximize profits while minimizing potential losses. 6. Record keeping. Maintain detailed records of your bets and outcomes for analysis and improvement. Utilizing sports arbitrage signal services efficiently can significantly enhance your arbitrage success. These services are designed to simplify the process by delivering opportunities directly to you, allowing you to focus on execution and risk management. Stay tuned for our final day as we continue exploring crucial aspects of sports arbitrage. I am Ifeanyi. God bless you.